students, welcome back to the class. You know what time it is?
It's math time, ma'am.
Yes. Continuing with our topic decimals, in today's class we will be seeing how to do division with decimals. Okay, so let us start. Division by, let us start with the rounding numbers 10, 100, 1000, right? In multiplication, decimal shifts ahead. As in multiplication we get value bigger after multiplying. Reverse is the case of division. In division, decimal shift back towards the left side because after dividing you are getting a smaller value, right? So let us start. 314.5 divided by 10. Division by 10, divide gives us the smaller answer, decimal will shift back. 10, so decimal will go one step back. It becomes 31.45. Okay, now 314.5 divided by 100. 2 zeros, that means decimal will shift 2 steps back towards the left side. 1, 2. Decimal came after 3, 3.145. Next question, 567.8 divided by 1000. 3 zeros, so decimal will shift 3 steps back. Let us start. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step. So decimal came where? Before 5. So 0.5678, and here is only point, so here whole number you can write 0. 0.5678 is the answer. Next question, 23.5 divided by 100. Divided by 100, 2 places decimal will shift left. 1, 2. Here also decimal comes in the front. 0.235, and here whole number 0. Next question, 5.08 divided by 1000. 5.08, 508. Divided by 1000, decimal will shift 3 steps back. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step. Now there are no numbers here before 5, so put zeros. So decimal come here. 2 zeros back and decimal comes here. 0.005. Check out here. Where was the decimal? After 5 initially. We have shift back 1 step, 2 step, 3 steps. So decimal came here. 0.00508 is the answer. Next question. 26.75 divided by 10. Divided by 10. So one place decimal will shift left side back of 6. It becomes 2.675. Okay, this is how we divide when you have to divide by numbers 10, 100, 1000. So mentally just you can divide easily. Now let us write in division by 10, decimal shifts one place towards left. Next, in division by 100, decimal point shifts how many places? In 100, decimal point shift 2 places towards left. Next point, in division by 1000, decimal point will shift 3 places towards left, back. Okay. Now let us see how to divide two whole numbers when it is given to you. Now in this question, let us see how to divide a decimal number by a whole number. First question, 139.65 divided by 35. So this we have to do by long division. So to start with this number, we will be dividing first simply without looking at the decimal. 139.65 divided by 35. This is the question. First number is dividend, will come inside. Second number is divisor, will come outside. Now we will be dividing simply. Don't look at the decimal. 35 ones are 35. 35 twos are 70. We have to look for 139. Let us check. 35 multiply by, let us try with 3. 3 5s are 15, carry 1, 3 3 are 9 and 1 10, 105. Now let us try with 4. 4 5s are 20, carry 2, 4 3 are 12 and 2, 14. Now 140 is greater, so that means table of 3 will work here. 35 3s are is 105. Subtract 35 3s are 105. Subtract 9 minus 5 4, 3 minus 0 3, 1 minus 1 0. Simply copy 6 down. It becomes 346. Now let us check which table will work. 35 multiplied by 10 is 350, and this is just before that 346. So here you can take an idea that yes, it will be divisible by when we multiply by 9. 9 5s are 45, 4 at the side, 9 3 27 plus 4 31. So 315. 9s are 315. Subtract 6 minus 5 1, 4 minus 1 3. Copy next number 5 down. It is direct 315 which we have just got. 35 9s are 315. 315 minus 315 gives us 0. Now what answer we are getting? 399. But this is not the final answer. We have to put the decimal. Go back to the question. Here how many decimal places are given? 2 decimal places are given. So in answer also there will be 2 decimal places. So answer becomes, count the numbers from the right side, 1 2. Here decimal will come. 3.99 is the answer of the next question. 84.32 divided by 62. So 84.32 is dividend, will come inside. 62 is divisor, we will be writing outside. 62 ones are 62 and 62 twos are will be greater than 84. So table of 1 will work. 4 minus 2, 2. 8 minus 6, 2. Copy 3 down. Don't look at the decimal right now. Just copy 3 down. It becomes 223. Now we have to find in the table of 62 where it will be divisible. Let us check by table of 3. 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Now go to table of 4. 4 2s are 8, 6 4s are 24. Now multiply by 4 gives us the bigger number than 223. So that means multiply by 3 will work here. 186. Subtract. 3 minus 6 not possible. Take carry. It becomes 13 minus 6 is 7. 1 minus 8 again not possible. It becomes, take carry. 11 minus 8 3. 1 minus 1 0. 37. Now copy 2 down. It becomes 372. Let us check out where it will work. 62 multiplied by 6. Let us try. 6 2s are 12. 1 at the side. 6 is a 36 plus 1. 37. 372 exact. So multiply by 6 will work here. 372. The quotient which you are getting is 136. But this is not the final answer. We have to put the decimal. How many decimal places in the question? 2 decimal places. So answer 136. It will have 2 decimal places, 1 2. So answer will be 1.36. Okay. Let us see the next question. 14.25 divided by 500. Now 14.25 is small, 500 is bigger, but you cannot change the places. The first number is always dividend, will come inside. 14.25 divided by 500. Don't look at the decimal now. 500 ones are 500. 500 twos are 1000. So yes, 1000 will work here. 500 twos are 1000. Subtract 5, 2, 4, here 0. Now 425 is not divisible by 500. So what to do? As you learned just now in the equivalent decimals, that yes, in a decimal number at the extreme right we can put 0, that won't change the value of the number. So after 25 we can write 0 here. I am highlighting with other color so that it is clear to you that yes, we have added one 0 here. So that 0 copy down, it becomes 4250. Now table of 500. 8 will work. 8 5s are 40 and 2 zeros at the back. Subtract 0, 5, 2, 0. 250 is also not divisible by 500. In this case, we can put one more 0. Equivalent decimal. Put 0. It becomes 2500. Now divide. 500. 5s are 2500. 5 5s are 25. 1 0 at the back. Completely divisible now. Now check out. What is the quotient here? It is a very important step, children. Very minutely take care and look carefully. 285 is the quotient which you are getting. In the given question C part, there were 2 decimal places. But while solving, you require to put 2 more zeros here. So total decimal places becomes 4. So now we won't check for the given one. We will check the one which we have made for our requirement. It becomes 4 decimal places. Now answer 1, 2, 3. 1 0 here, it becomes 4 decimal places. This is the answer. 0.0258. Okay. Now let us do one more question. It is also very interesting. D part, 4 divided by 10. Okay. 4 smaller number, 10 bigger number. Now don't think that you will switch their places. 4 is the dividend first number, so it will come inside only, and 10 is the divisor. 4 divided by 10. Now in table of 10, 4 is not coming. So what to do? Use the concept of equivalent decimal. 4 can be written as 4.0. Okay, 4 can be written as 4.0. Now easily you can divide. 10 4s are 40. Quotient is 4. Now, given question you don't check. What do you check? You check the question which you have made as per the requirement. It becomes 1 decimal place here, 0.0. So in answer also there will be 1 decimal place. Point will come here, 0.4. Okay. So this is how we divide a number by a whole number. Now next we will see how to divide a number by decimal number. That means when divisor is given a decimal number. 4 divided by 0.2, right? Now 0.2 is a decimal number, so we cannot divide a number by a decimal number. We have to make the denominator, that means divisor, a whole number. Let us start. First of all, write it as a fraction. 4 divided by 0.2, we can write it like that. Now as many decimal places, those many zeros we will multiply. Multiply 1 decimal place, so multiply by 10. It gives us 4 tens are 40, and 0.2 multiplied by 10 gives us 2.0, that is 2. So it becomes 40 divided by 2 gives us 20. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4 and 0. Simply answer becomes 20. Check out the next question. It is 1.5 divided by 0.03. Okay. How many decimal places? 2. So by which number we will multiply? 100. Numerator and denominator both. Equivalent fraction. We will multiply numerator and denominator both. So numerator becomes 1, 5 with 2 zeros at the back. And how many decimal place? 1. So it becomes 150 upon 3 with 2 zeros at the back, 300. How many decimal place? 2. So it becomes 3.0. Write it again, 150 upon 3. You can cut it now. 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15, 1 0 at the back. It becomes 50 is the answer. So we cannot divide a number by a decimal number. In that case, we have to turn decimal number as whole number. Next question, 4.18 divided by 1.9. Let us write in fraction form, 4.18 divided by 1.9. How many decimal places in the denominator? 1. That means multiply by 10 will gives us the whole number. Numerator also multiply by 10. Multiply by 10, decimal will shift one step ahead, 41.8, and denominator will become 19. 41.8 divided by 19. Now this is whole number. Cannot cut like that, so we have to divide. 41.8 divided by 19. 19 ones are 19, 19 twos are 38 will work here. Cut, it becomes 3 and here 11. 11 minus 8, 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Copy next number 8 down. 19 twos are again 38. 38 minus 38, 0. Quotient you are getting 22, but here we have to put decimal. How many decimal places here? 1 decimal place. So it becomes 2.2 is the answer. Okay, now let us check out next question. 325 divided by 0.005. Write in fraction form first. Now check out how many decimal places are there in the denominator. 1, 2, 3. 3 decimal places are here. So that means multiply by 1000. Up also multiply by 1000. So it becomes 325 with 3 zeros at the back, and denominator becomes whole number 5. Now you can cut it or you can divide it, long division. Anyways, 325 with 3 zeros at the back, that means 3,25,000 divided by 5. 5 6 are 30. 2 remainder, copy 5 down, 25. 5 5s are 25. Fully divisible. Now 1 0. 3 zeros, directly you can put also. Again next 0. Again next 0. Okay. So 3 zeros directly has come because after 25 only we got remainder 0 and 3 zeros were left. So answer is 65,000. Okay, this much for today. This is how we do multiplication and division of decimal number. Thank you. Keep practicing. If you have understood the concept, please ensure to like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. मैं टाइम वेलकम मैम.